Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how can we turn on or turn off timer on Snapchat. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. As you can see guys, the timer is not enabled here, as you can see guys. So how can you enable it? Just simply tap on this plus icon and just simply tap on timer option. As you can see guys, showing here, just simply tap on this and here is your timer. So let me show you. I want to take a picture. As you can see guys, the timer is enabled here. Okay guys, so just simply tap on this and again tap on this, and if you want to increase the timer, just simply increase from here. As you can see guys, the timer is turned off from here. Let me show you here again. I want to turn it on. As you can see guys, the timer is turned on. Just simply tap on the timer and just simply tap on cancel. As you can see guys, timer is turned off, as you can see guys. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.